Are you tired of spending every week posting on social media? What if you could automate your entire content schedule with AI agents and never worry about it again? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up an AI-powered system to handle your social posts, saving you time and keeping your audience engaged effortlessly. To follow along, don't forget, download the free guide and 7-day challenge to see how you can do this for your business today. Let's dive in. I'm going to show you 5 ways how you can automate your social media posts, which will save you hours every single week. Now, as we go through the 5 different tools, we're going to go through the pros and cons of the features and which one I would use, and we'll show you how we're doing this and having an impact with our business. Remember, the guide is down below if you want to see all of the different AI agents and how to use them. So let's get right into the 5 platforms. Number 1, it's N8N. Then we have Taja. We have repurpose.io, Opus Clip, and MindPal. Let's talk about the different platforms and how we could use them. N8N allows you to build out any type of workflow you want. It's really popping off right now because of all the different AI agents that you can use and how easy the process is. And we have a whole breakdown of how we do it and what we've learned using it so far. Now, I would say that this gives you the most flexibility for what kind of campaigns you want to run. But because there are so many moving parts and to learn, N8N could be great for your business, but there's other options that kind of make it on rails for you, so to speak, that can help you with your social media posting. Well, what are there? What are they? So the first one would be repurpose.io. They've been around for years. They're great partners with us. We've done a lot with them over time. And the thing that I would focus on with this is this kind of allows you to build out the pipes of what you're trying to build. If you have a very specific production, like you're filming on Zoom, you need it to go to Google Drive, and then for it to create a podcast from the Google Drive file, very specific things you need to do. Repurpose.io, I just don't think anyone really can mess with it. I think this is probably the most robust for social media creation, but for ease of use, I think I would probably lean on Taja. This allows you to put in a YouTube video that you just created, anything that you want, and then afterwards you put in, it will optimize what you're trying to do, and then you can look at the repurposed content. Now, the thing that I really like about this is I can very easily scrub through, see what videos I would like to use. It gives me kind of a score, what I could be doing. And a lot of other platforms does this too. And we'll talk about like Opus Clip in a moment. But the thing that also stands out with me is you have clips, which are going to be a little bit longer, but then I have the blog post already made for me right here. I can also see how I could use it in threads on X. And all in a few seconds, I can just do a bulk auto schedule right here. And this will allow me to use all of the clips, use the articles, all those things, and it will schedule everything out on my channels throughout. And that has been really helpful because sometimes I get overwhelmed in trying to rethink of like the cadence and what I should be doing. And I'm building out all these sophisticated automations, I think, and repurpose. And Tasha just kind of allows you to just say like, hey, I've got my clips. I've got what I need to. These are the platforms that I'm thinking about. Just go do it. And so you can connect all of your accounts, your channels, everything like that. You can decide what you're going to be using, Instagram, TikTok. Right now, I mainly just use LinkedIn, X, and YouTube. And then I can just go from there. I can easily see what's going on here, all of those things. And it just helps me to stay organized and not overthink what I need to do. The downside of Taja is I think some of the clips or what I want the production of clips is not at the level like Opus Clip, but that's kind of a give and take. And with Taja, we've been testing it out on our YouTube channel. We're still getting pretty good results on the clips that we want. And so it's a pros and cons, it's give and take. I think it can do more than 80% of what we want it to do. So there you have it. And that kind of leads us right into Opus Clip. Opus Clip is pretty much the most dominant repurposing app or platform I've seen for creators where you can be taking one long form content, piece of content and then go and build viral clips off of it. I've been seeing people build businesses and approach other creators and basically just use Opus to just build and create clips for clients, and they're charging $10 to $15 a clip, and they're just using Opus Clip to do it. And if you're doing this yearly, or even if you're, yeah, I mean, I would just buy it yearly, spend a couple $100, or monthly, it's 29. If I'm getting a couple creators and they're paying me $20 a short, I'm making 4 to 5 shorts a month for them. You're already covering your costs, quite a few times over. So I've been seeing this could be good for your business. It allows you to create your clips and then you can schedule it. um, and you could do this as a side hustle as well for creators that don't know how to do this, or they don't have time, they don't want to. I've been seeing the pricing 15, $20 easy, and they're really just spending a couple minutes picking out clips. The other one would be MindPal. This is a very intriguing platform, and we're probably going to have a link down below somewhere in the description with a video that we did a breakdown of creating AI agents all around marketing and YouTube. But there are a lot of use cases. I think this is a very easy to use platform, less complicated than N8N, but there are a lot of great things that you can do with this, and they just keep getting better and better. And yeah, so we really like it. We'll see how they keep growing and everything, but that's what I would consider when I'm trying to really scale this. Like I was talking about right here, there are so many different options for how to automate your process for your social media. Let me know in the comment section down below, what kind of content are you trying to automate? What are you doing in your business? And do you need help doing this? Do you want different templates, how to do this for your business? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you like these kind of videos, make sure that you like and subscribe and grab the free resource guides down below. We'll see you in the next video.